Sari. So today we're gonna make a anti-tan, anti-acne mask. Well, this mask has many benefits. It also helps in reducing facial hair if you apply it regularly. Regularly means not every day but twice a week. So for some time, if you apply for twice a week, it will help you in reducing your facial hair. It will lighten your facial hair color from if you have like black hair to a little bit of yellowish tone, which is your skin tone, by the way. And also, if you're Indian, it is really beneficial for you because it helps in reducing facial hair, and we Indians do have much facial hair on our skin. And it is an anti-tan mask, good for summers. It has like quite cooling effects in it if you add milk and etc things in it. So we'll just jump into the process. So first I'll tell you the ingredients. Gram flour. I've taken 2 spoons of gram flour, 2 full spoons of gram flour. We're needing turmeric. I've taken a very little bit of turmeric. You're seeing this small spoon? 1/4 of this little spoon. So just this much of turmeric. Now you'll be needing cream. Now this is a cream which I've taken from top of the milk. When milk cools down, it forms on the milk. So that cream I've taken. So just less than 1 spoon. You can say like equal to half a spoon or so, like or 2 by 3 that much just. Then milk, I've taken a very much amount of milk, but I actually have never measured how much milk I add into this mask because I just eyeball it. I just see when a paste is forming, I just stop making it. So now actually we'll start. I just stop adding milk now. So now we'll start making the mask. Now first I'll mix dry ingredients together. That is, I'll add turmeric into my gram flour. I've added turmeric. Now first I'll just mix a little these dry ingredients only. Now after mixing these dry ingredients, first of all I'll add my cream. Now I am adding all of my cream into it. It's like a little bit more than half a spoon, as I told you. Now I'll be mixing it a little. Now before mixing it, you can also do that you add milk because it will form a really thick dough otherwise, very. So I'm starting adding milk. Sorry, I start adding milk now. Now 1 spoon, 2 spoons and 3 spoons. Now I'll see. Now I'm counting it for you guys because I never do that. Now I'll see how much thick paste is forming now. Mix it really nicely so that no lumps are formed. Yeah, one more thing, that it's not important that you add just milk and this cream. You can also, just 2 ingredients are really important, that are gram flour and turmeric, because turmeric has quite antibacterial qualities which will help you in reducing acne. You can also add other wet ingredients, like you can add honey into it. Honey and milk are a good combination. You can add a little bit of rose water if you don't like fragrance of any of the thing out of it, like gram flour or turmeric. You can also add lemon into it, but lemon doesn't suit me well, so I use it less. I use sometimes on my skin, but I use it less. You can also add what do we say, curd. Yeah, you can also add curd into it if your skin is not dry. If your skin is oily, you can add curd into it. Curd for wet ingredients. So with 3 spoons only, I got a really thick paste. I think one more spoon is needed. Half a more spoon is needed. So you just need to have a really fine paste, not a thick, not a thin, a really fine paste. So it's your wish what kind of paste you want, and according to that you can see what are you doing. Now this much is enough. You can also apply it on your hands and knees area where you have tanning. So now I'll be applying this mask. You can apply it with hands or with anything, but I'll be applying with this brush. Now I'll be applying this mask, and I'll meet you after applying it, after 10 minutes of applying it. So I'm back, guys. So now I've just applied this mask. It's a mask. It's been 10 minutes applying this mask. Now I'll just take my mask off. So before taking my mask, I'll just make my hands a little bit wet. I have a bowl of water here, so I'm just making my hands a little bit wet. Now I'll scrub this mask into my face. I'll massage it gently like this, and you can take more water. I mean, you can wet your hands a little bit more also, because the mask has actually been on your face for 10 minutes and it is a little bit dry. So you can take as much water as you want. You just need to scrub it so that all the tanned skin come out. That's it, guys. You have to do it for more than 2 minutes or 2 minutes, but I'm doing just for this much time because I need to take it off also. Now I'm just making a towel wet, and I'll take it off with the help of this towel only. So like this. First I'll take it off from this side, then I'll take it off from this side. So guys, after applying this mask, just don't wash your face for 4 to 5 hours. That will help you guys. 4 to 5 hours actually with soap or face wash and things like that, and don't scrub your face. You can actually wash your face with water. That will do nothing to you. And that's it for today, guys. So bye, and we'll meet next time. Lots of love. Bye.